How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the GED language class at Desert Valley High School. My name is Francisco Mendez, and I will be your instructor for this course. So in the last video, we looked at finding the important information, looking for information. When we read the articles for the GED essay, we're not reading them to read them. We're not going to read the whole thing. We're simply looking for information that could help us defend one of the sides. So we start by reading whatever's first. So here we have a pro. And we realized that, you know what, there is some really good information here. So we went ahead and highlighted whatever we feel we could use, which is usually data, numbers, statistics, studies. That's the kind of stuff you want because it doesn't get stronger than that. And we kept reading. We found something else that we thought could be useful. And then we found another thing that we thought could be useful, some really powerful statements. So we decided to go with pro because we felt that, you know what, it's strong enough. We can totally defend it. As I mentioned before, you don't want to go with the one that you like the best. You don't want to go with the one that lines up with your beliefs. You want to go with the strongest one. If the first one happens to be the strongest one, by all means, go with that one. Don't waste any time and just jump right in. But before you do, don't forget to go highlight at least one thing or just one thing from the other side because we're going to need it for later, for the counter argument. We're going to prove this purple one wrong using one of the green ones that we highlighted. But more on that later. Don't even worry about it yet. Today, we are going to take these 3 points and we are going to write our thesis statement. So our thesis statement is, in fact, I just lost my worksheet that I was going to use. Where did it go? There it is. Boom. There we go. So this sheet right here is pretty much breaking down the essay into its 5 parts, its 5 essential parts. This will be available to you through Google Classroom. We will be referring to it periodically, just like right now. Our thesis sentence, it is the answer to the question plus 3 reasons that support that answer, 3 statements that support that. So since we're going with pro, the answer to the question is going to be homework is beneficial. Because now we need 3 statements that back that up. So our first one, we got, this is the data, but the statement itself is it improves student achievement. Let's go with that. Homework is beneficial because it improves, when English teachers forget how to spell. Remember how I mentioned the statements? This is where you want to just kind of remember where the statements are at. It's beneficial because it improves student achievement. It helps reinforce learning. And I'm actually going to cut that one short and just say reinforce learning because I want to save the details for my paragraph itself. That's pretty much what we're doing. The 3 points that we are going to put in our thesis are each going to become a body paragraph. That is why the thesis is so important to be done first. It needs to be done first because it provides the structure for your whole essay. One sentence plans your whole essay out, saves you a ton of time, and it makes sure that everything is connected and flowing. Let's keep going. Homework is beneficial because it improves student achievement. It helps reinforce learning. And we got something from here. It allows parents to be involved in their child's learning. Bam. So we got the answer to our question, which we are going to highlight in green. And then we got our 3 reasons right here because it improves student achievement. It helps reinforce learning, which we're going to do in red. Well, more like a pinkish red. And it allows parents to be involved in their child's learning. That is what we're going to be writing about, ladies and gentlemen. So, as far as our thesis goes, that is pretty much it. Now, the thesis is the last sentence in your intro paragraph, your first one. So in the next video, we are going to learn about how to make the hook, which is how we grab the reader's attention, and then how to connect those two using background info. Thank you for coming. We will see you in the next one. Take care out there, all right? Bye.